Hey, yo, what is good, everyone? It's your favorite man, Ton from NASDAQ, back again, guys, with another banger, guys. We back. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, we're gonna be talking about Bitcoin, guys. We're gonna be talking about Bitcoin. Hey, guys, let me just fix my mic and then we can go on. Yeah, so guys, as you guys saw that on CPI, we actually got the direction wrong, right? On CPI, we got the direction wrong, but it doesn't say that we don't know how to do it. You know, guys, this thing is sometimes you'll get it wrong, sometimes you'll get it right. But at the end of the day, we know that we did what we have to do, right? What we had to do, right? And then you also know that on NFP we killed, right? On NFP we killed the market. So it doesn't say that in the future we're not gonna chop, right? We're gonna chop, and I am gonna drop a video of me explaining to you guys why the market went against us, right? And it's basically because we were focusing more on bias, right? But hey, none of that, guys. We're gonna be getting into that on another video. Make sure you give this video at least 40 likes. Make sure you get this video at least 40 likes. Like, guys, even this video is gonna be a banger. This one, you guys know, if you guys are those people who like investing into crypto, into Bitcoin, those people who like trading Bitcoin and those things, you're gonna enjoy this video. You're gonna love it. Make sure you click the like button. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, sorry guys. And then obviously, if you're not new, welcome back, guys. Like you know the vibes. So let's get into it, guys. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna go to the daily time frame because obviously that's where we always start, right? And then I'm gonna make this full, right? And then I'm obviously gonna reset my chart. So after resetting my chart, I wanna see what's happening. So I can see that Bitcoin has been trending up for the longest time. Sorry about that. Bitcoin has been trending up. Hey guys, if you're wondering why I always change my chart, the colors on my chart is just for me to experience, and sometimes I'm in another environment. I need some better color, and you know the vibes, guys. So I can notice that Bitcoin is in an uptrend, right? Bitcoin is trending up, so we should be looking for buys. Bitcoin has been buying for the longest, right? But what caused this drop, guys? Because remember, as you can see, Bitcoin formed a high, an all-time high there, right? And after it formed that all-time high, it just decided that high corner. Now I'm going down. And then after going down, it just came back like giving us a young retracement, yana, and then it fell again. And then it gave us a young retracement, and now it's falling again. But if you can see the pattern that it's moving in, if you can just check it properly, right? So we're gonna get into that. But first, let's start with the basic routine. Let's start with the ABC, guys. You guys know what we're gonna be starting with. We're gonna be starting with identifying the points in the market that are very important, right? So we're gonna start by identifying our highest point, which is this one. If you guys wanna know where I picked this up, this strategy, guys, you can go to Nasdaq Ninja's YouTube. You're gonna see everything there. The guy knows what he does, right? If you're watching this video and you know Nasdaq Ninja, make sure you tag him in the comment section so he can watch and he can see that I learned this from him, right? He inspired us, guys. Shout out to Nasdaq Ninja. So after that, we're gonna outline that point as being our lowest point, and then we're just gonna create places where we are expecting the market to reverse, right? We are gonna outline places where we expect the market to reverse, right? Which is this one, and then we have another zone which is this one, right? We have another zone which is this one. And then if you guys want to know how to do this, like I said, guys, make sure you find your way to Nasdaq Ninja's channel. You're gonna see everything. So from my side, I don't want to make things complicated. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then I'm gonna move to my 4-hour time frame. I'm not saying when you have 4, you have to move to the 4-hour time frame. Don't get me confused. It's just that I only want 4, right? I don't want to make things complicated. So what we have here is basically we have this all-time high as being now our liquidity. Not really liquidity, because you see liquidity is it's a place where the market leaves money at, right? So I won't say the market left money there, but then yeah, guys, it's basically a point that we do expect the market to come take out sometime, right? We don't know when, but then we're gonna analyze the market and predict what the market is going to do, right? So we do have like another zone here. We do have like another zone here. So this is how I trade Bitcoin, right? I basically take like a big account, like let me say like 1,000 or 2,000 rands, and then I take half the margin of trades, value trades on that account. Like I'll take trades until the margin says 1,000, right? Let me say I funded 2,000. I'll like check trades, value to 1,000, and then even if it goes into drawdown, I won't blow my account, right? And then of you eventually, if it goes into profits, certain amounts of profits I would lock, and then I would re-enter. I'll just scale in, right? If you want to learn that strategy, make sure you get my number in the description below, that description box, something, yana. You get my number, you touch me, my strategy. Hey, we have the new course, guys, Master Entry 2.0. We have everything. And then what is this? If you want to trade Bitcoin with the broker, I'm cooking something for you guys. But for the meantime, you can basically send me a DM on Instagram or on the number below, the WhatsApp number, and then ask me anything you need, guys. I'm gonna respond to you guys. I'm gonna help you guys, right? But yeah, guys, so we do have that resistance there. We do have this resistance there. And what's interesting is we do have the support. Now I'm going to tell you why I'm saying the support is interesting, right? Because as you can see, every time the market gets to this point, the market reverses. When it gets here, it reverses. When it gets here, it reverses. When it gets here, it reverses, right? Reverse, 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 right? What is this? Like, you guys are making things overcomplicated. This thing is telling us that the market is reversing. And where is the market going? It's going back, right? It's going back. That's what we can see, right? So from here now, I'm just going to use my trend line, right? I'm just going to use my trend line and I'm going to identify, right? And I'm going to tell you how I'm going to use this trend line to my advantage. And then I'm going to have another trend line there. So after I have those trend lines, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push to my H1 time frame. Guys, you don't have to make the market complicated. What I'm going to be waiting for on the market now, let me just reset the chart, nyana, get like a young zoom out nyana there. So yeah, guys. So what I'm gonna be waiting for the market to do now is basically, respect the support, right? Respect the supports. And how I'm gonna be seeing my entry is, you see, today is Friday, guys, but you know the Bitcoin market moves like Saturday, Sunday, but I won't say you must trade on the weekends, right? So what I'm gonna tell you is, let me just show you something. You're going to wait for the market to close above this trend line. Remember, we already confirmed here that we are on a support, right? The market is respecting that support. And after respecting that support, we can also see that the market is also respecting this support right there, right? So basically we have two supports that the market is respecting, right? So what are we going to be waiting for? We're going to be waiting for the market to close at least above this zone in order for us to take our buying opportunities, right? And it's so easy, guys. This thing is easy as ABC, right? So let me just see where I'm gonna put my take profit, because you guys know that sorry guys, you guys know that setting a take profit is very, very, very important, guys. I'm not gonna say setting a stop loss is very important, because I don't trade using stop losses, right? You see, the problem about, okay, there's no problem with using a stop loss, right? Let me not say there's a problem, guys. Let me auto-correct, right? So with my strategy, I trade full margin. I love trading full margin because it pays me and it pays my lifestyle, right? So what I do is, instead of setting a 500 Rand stop loss or a 250 Rand stop loss, right? I'll just fund that 250 on a micro, go full margin, right? And then you would fund 1,000 and put a stop loss of 250. Just think to yourself, who's going to make the most amount of money? It's going to be me. I can even put that 250 Rand on a standard account and go full margin. As I'm still going to make the more money than you if the direction goes both our ways, because you see, you are going to be trading, let's say our stop loss is here, right? Let's say our stop loss is here, and then we took the entry. Let's say, okay, let me make an example, ne? Let's say we took the entry here. I don't want to expose my strategy, guys, but hey, you know the vibes. Let me just educate you guys, nyana, so you guys can come back to the channel and obviously, start watching the channel, because here there is important things, guys. So let me just do this, then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put like green, nyana. Okay, not that one, like this one. And then we're gonna put red. Wabong, gonna put red there. Okay, sharp. So once we have that now, guys, let me just use the other green, guys. Sorry, guys, sorry. You know me, I like things. You know the vibes, guys. So let's say both of us, you funded 1,000 rand, I funded 250 rand, right? And then we took the market based off of this support. So it hit support. It came to close here. We're like, now it's a buy. Why is it a buy? It's a buy because the market is rejecting here, guys. It's ABC. The market is rejecting from a support. It's a buy. So it closes above a support. We're going to be taking our buys sharp. Now me, I go in full margin. You go in with like in my stop losses below that week. And obviously my take profit is going to be on that third touch, right? Because we're obviously waiting for the market to give us like a third touch. You feel me? So obviously now once the market is moving like this already here, when we come here, I'm already hitting the target that you are waiting for to hit here. Why is it? Because I went in full margin all this way, right? And it's basically me saying I'm going in. If this market comes here, I lose my account. But for you, it can come here and then obviously then you lose your account. But mine, if it comes here, I lose my account. But now that it's here, I'm making more money than you, like 5x. You understand? That's why I go in full margin. Basically, it's me using a stop loss, but not really using a stop loss. It's basically just me using, what is this? Money management, right? So yeah, guys, what are we waiting for? So I said I'm waiting for the market to break out here, to break out. You guys can wait for like your retest and then you enter. It depends on how your trading plan is. It's important to have a trading plan, guys. So I can give you the analysis, but you still gonna blow because my trading style might go against your trading style. Like you get what I'm saying. So maybe you are the trader that waits for like the retest before you go in. But like me straight, I'm telling you straight, guys, like me, I'm not gonna go with these YouTube traders principles of them saying you need to wait for what. Like us, we trade the way we trade. Like we trade the market. We don't trade other things. So I'm gonna be waiting for the market to break out there. And then as I just see the market breaking out with momentum, I'm just gonna like straight execute my buy. And then I'm gonna go in, guys. I'm gonna wait for that third touch. I'm gonna put like a tight stop loss. Let's just put this thing like a very tight stop loss, guys. Very tight. You know how Bitcoin can behave. The nicest thing about Bitcoin is if you can reset the chart, guys, you're gonna see that Bitcoin doesn't give you like those large weeks. You understand? Let's say when it's time to buy, Bitcoin is going to buy. When it's time to buy, it's going to buy. It's not going to play around. You get me? Like here, it's on support, it's going to buy. It's on support, even if your stop loss is here, it's going to buy. You understand? When it's time to sell, it's going to sell. There's no that story of those currency pairs things where they are zones. You see the market is there's a zone there and there's a zone there, but then you will find the market, it respects support and then it starts manipulating. You understand? And then it starts manipulating. Bitcoin doesn't do those things. That's what I'm saying. Bitcoin is like the nicest thing, guys. Like if you can just like give Bitcoin a chance and backtest and do everything, like you guys can master Bitcoin. Like if you want me to do more videos on Bitcoin, guys, just make sure you give me a comment down below. Give me a comment. I'll do more videos based on Bitcoin and those type of things, right? But as you can see, like we're looking for buys on the Bitcoin, right? We're looking to take buys. We're looking to take long positions as soon as the market breaks here. But then obviously we know that the market could also do other things. Like you guys saw on CPI, we said it's a buy. The market took a sell, right? So what I'm telling you is that I am looking for a buy, but then there is a possibility that the market could give us a sell. You feel me? So let's say we have this support right here, right? If the market can come back and break this support, because obviously we saw that down below we do have like a trend line. You feel me? Like we have a trend line here. So it's 1, 2, and then there's no third touch. The market just broke out and it broke out with momentum. And that's always like what I say. If the market breaks out with momentum, it's a high risk that the market could just come back into the trend line because it went out with too much momentum. You see, when the market breaks a trend line, it should break a trend line saying, okay, now I'm gonna go, but not like with speed. Let me show you. You see this trend line right here. Look, when the market broke, the market started correcting first. So let me show you. Just check. Started correcting, and then it broke out. You see, but then here now it didn't break, like it didn't correct. It just broke out. So now you can see that obviously this, we can consider this as a fake out, right? But then, hey, sharp guys. So if we are gonna go with rules, I'm gonna say that you can wait for the market to come retest, let me say break the support, retest, and then you take your sell, and then you can like lock your profits until it breaks here, retest, and then you go in with sells. But I don't believe Bitcoin is going to be that bearish, right? That's what I'm saying, right? And remember, everyone is seeing now, oh, these things are obvious. I don't like taking like obvious trades. So you can see this thing broke out, retested, everyone is going to be looking for sells, right? But what I'm seeing is that the market left things, that the market left, like I like to say to my students, is the market left things that it has to come collect, right? That's what we like to say. The market left things that it has to come collect, right? Like you can see here, guys, I'm going to make an example. The market created a double top here. The market created a double top there. That's enough reason for me to say that the market should buy and take out that double top. You feel me? Even though it's not gonna respect this third touch that I think it's gonna respect, at least I know that it's gonna hit my TP and pass, right? So what I'm looking for is for the market to buy from this point. I'm looking for the market to buy on that point, right? So after it can give me a buy, I am going to take my buying opportunities, guys. I strongly believe this is a buy. You can even just target here, guys. You can just target here. I'm just going to target here as being my third touch. And then I'm going to put my stop loss there. This is the nicest thing, guys. Trading like cryptos, it's the nicest thing. You can even target this resistance. You see, it's a nice 1:9 trade. Like, the thing is just I don't send out Bitcoin signals because like I feel like Bitcoin is my personal thing. Maybe like later, on the later stage, when I like, you know, become like successful, I'm going to start like sending out Bitcoin signals and everything. But I even think of like leaving the signal industry, guys. I don't know if you, I don't know. Let's have a chat on in the comment section. What do you guys think about signals? And like I said, guys, please do mention Nasdaq Ninja so he can see that the boy was inspired. Shout out to Nasdaq Ninja. Shout out to GT College, guys, which is the company that I started, guys. Make sure you click the link in my bio to trade with the broker that I recommend, guys. Like, yo, this broker is like the nicest thing. Like, I'm just gonna put up like a screen record here where I flip basically like 1K to 50K, guys. This thing, it's for real. Like this broker, if you guys wanna trade with this broker, make sure you click the link below. And basically, if you don't wanna lose, you just click the link below. You join the Signal group while trading with the best broker, which the link is below. You're just gonna make money, guys. Make sure you fund your 1,000 Rand, your 500 Rand, and then you just come ask me for information. I'm gonna help you out, but I only help those out who help me out. So make sure you trade with the best broker, which is Trade245, by clicking the link below. Remember, you have to click the link, because if you don't click the link and there's manipulation, there's nothing I can help you with. I can help you with the fast withdrawals and everything, but that's if you click the link, right? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Pause this video, make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe. We're gonna be talking about CPR in the next video if this video gets at least 50 likes, guys. Nonetheless, guys, this is your favorite mentor, Uncle Nasdaq, signing out. Danko.